On today's video, we're going to change out a Kohler pressure regulator cartridge and a mixing valve. The first thing we do is remove the handle. We remove the two screws on the escutcheon and pull it out, and the handle is connected to the escutcheon. Now let's shut off the water. You can either shut the water off right here at the stopper valves. If they're not working, then you need to shut off your main. Now we need to check to see if the water is off before you remove anything. Water is off, so now let's go ahead and remove the mixing valve. There's 4 brass screws. Just remove those and it comes straight out. Okay, now we're gonna remove our retainer cap that's in front of our regulator cartridge. Just kind of get that out. Screwdriver back there, and then it comes off fairly easy. Now we're going to have to reuse this. All we have to do is change out the O-rings on it, so put that aside. Now right here is our regulator cartridge. It's in there, and it's in there with a lot of scale buildup, so it's kind of hard to get it out, but just take some pliers and just wiggle this baby out. It'll come out. We got a little bit of scale buildup in our valve body here. Here's our regulator cartridge. We do need to remove these old O-rings. The kit comes with new O-rings and washers we need to replace. Now just clean up the valve body here. Remove any O-rings that are in there, and we have some scale buildup we need to clean up. So I just took a little wire brush here and just cleaned up the valve body here. And then I just turned the water on here to rinse it off. Now let's go ahead and install our O-rings. They go right here in the back of our regulator cartridge. The kit comes with some lube, so I lubed up my O-rings. So what we do is just slide it straight back. There's a groove on the cartridge and a groove on the brass body that you can feel it when it hits the back, just like that. Now we're going to lube up our flat washers. The lube helps it stick to the front of our cartridge here. So let's go ahead and install both of these. Now let's go ahead and replace our cap. My kit came with the new O-ring, so I'm replacing it. Direction does matter on this cap. So let's go ahead and line it up and snap it in. And very last, let's install the mixing valve. Put in the O-ring that comes with the valve. Here's the valve here. Direction does matter also on this one. Make sure your O-rings are on there lubed up, and just fit it in there and line up your holes. Now that all our parts are installed in reverse order how they were removed, put your 4 brass screws in there and tighten them down. Turn the water back on. Replace the handle and our escutcheon. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.